Hi, I'm Belinda, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and we get a lot of questions and requests for hair repair serums, specifically split end repair and bond repair serums. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to put one together. First, let me show you the product, and then I'll talk you through some of the key ingredients we use. Just remember, at any time throughout the video, when I talk about a material you can't get from a small supplier, you can join our Cosmetic Raw Materials for Small Brands Facebook group, where you can post the material you want to source and find others near you who want to split packs with you. And that way you can access some of the fantastic materials that really bring about the amazing effects that we create when using some of the more specialized materials. This is the product we're going to be making today. Now, it's a beautifully light serum. You want these products to go onto the hair for repeated use without any sort of tack or stickiness. As you can see, it spreads beautifully, it feels wonderfully light on the hair and does not weigh the style down. Now, to put this product together, I'm going to start with some water and some Genicare OSMS-BA. This is a betaine material. It's fantastic for keeping hydration within the hair. And this is important when you have split ends or damaged hair cuticle, because you need to get moisture back into this unprotected hair shaft. Next, I want to add my conditioning material, and I'm getting conditioning benefits from the Enhance 3196. If you can't obtain this material, another guar hydroxypropyltrimonium chloride will also be very beneficial. I am combining this with some guar gum. Now, the hydroxypropyl guar is going to provide the conditioning benefits, while my guar gum is going to build my viscosity. So I end up with a nice serum form at the end. I'm just going to stir these through and then acidify it slightly. You'll see the product change colour and also thicken up. Next, I'm going to add another conditioning additive, and this is the Step & Quartz Selil. The Step & Quartz Selil has fast become one of my newest favourite materials for conditioning products. You would have seen me use this in the No Rinse conditioner and in the Minimalist conditioner formula. The key reasons being its high natural content, the very low input that you need to get some really fantastic conditioning results, and it's in liquid form, which means I can make cold processed products. Now, to my Step & Quartz Selil, I'm just going to add a little bit of plant oil. I'm using some argan oil here. You could use another type of plant oil. This helps provide some emolliency to the hair. Remember, we don't want too much. We don't want to weigh the hair down. But when you have really broken, damaged, dry hair, a little bit of emolliency can provide some great softening benefits. And of course, my Step & Quartz Selil is providing the conditioning benefits to the hair. Now, I'm just going to stir this in slowly. Now I'm going to add some really important ingredients. First of all, I'm adding hemptene Z. Now, you could use any hydrolyzed protein in its place. I'm using the hemptene. It's a hydrolyzed hemp protein, but you could use hydrolyzed rice protein or other various hydrolyzed proteins. This helps strengthen that hair cuticle, that hair shaft. I'm next going to add my main repair ingredient, and that is the Pro Cutagen Bond by Active Concepts. And this material, you will see, forms a nice coating over damaged hair to form a protective seal. I'm then going to add my essential oil. You could use fragrance, my preservative, and my antioxidant. And I'm just adding some vitamin B5. Now, this is not natural, it's nature identical, but it of course has some fantastic benefits for the hair. Give that all a good stir through, then check and adjust pH. And there I have my split end repair serum. Now there are a couple of key ingredients in this formulation that you can either source from the bigger suppliers or substitute with what you can get from your smaller suppliers. You do need a hydrolyzed protein. It's ideal if you can add an osmolyte like the betaine, and you do need some sort of split end repair or bond type material like the procutagen bond to provide a protective seal over those split ends. I use step and quartz solil as my cationic agent, and this provides conditioning. It helps stabilize the formula, and of course, being liquid form, it was super simple to process, but you could use other cationic agents in its place in your formulations. I used the cationic guar to again provide some conditioning benefits, and I stabilized it using some guar gum to help hold the formula together and give it the required viscosity. You of course could use your own source of cationic guar and regular guar gum in their place. Just remember, if you do want to source some of these more specialized materials, put a post in our Cosmetic Raw Materials for Small Brands Facebook group, because there'll be others like you, probably near you, that would like to split packs too and access some of these amazing materials. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to create a split end bond repair serum. Please give the video a thumbs up. Please leave any questions and comments below, and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!